Ooh. What? This thing is insane. Wow. That's awesome. That thing is beautiful. Wow. Well, there you go. A blessing in disguise. The other one, finally after a couple of years, the other one kind of broke. These springs popped out. And they can't go back in. Pushed it too hard. Yeah. So, goes on like this. It's nice that it stays on there. And look, it's not that obtrusive. The new version sticks out a lot more. Yeah, so great success. It's really cool looking. Just see if it turns on. I think it's dead. Battery's dead. Yeah, it's coolest thing ever. So this just lives on the ZV-E1. Highly recommend. It comes with a pretty nice USB-C C to A cable. So there you go. Good to have you back. Another one. These springs, both those flew off, and yeah, it's pretty much broke.